What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So today I'm going to share with you guys what is, in my opinion, the absolute best lockpicking tool out there on the market today. That is the Kronos Multipick. This one here I've had for a few years now. Purchased this online anywhere between about $180 to $250 depending on the country that you live in, and this is by far the best lockpicking tool I've had. I've had this for a few years and has never failed me. The reason why I love this tool so much is because whether you're a professional or an amateur, these ones here are so easy to use that you'll be able to get into the vast majority of locks very, very easily, very, very effective. And this one hasn't let me down over the past couple of years. So today I'm going to share with you guys what comes in the packaging with these, how to use it, and we'll also pick some locks. Let's do this. So the first thing we're going to start off is with the tool itself. So this one here, as you can tell, spans across both hands. It's fairly large. It's got a nice little button on top, so it's very easy to use, whether you use it like a pen, flip it upside down with your thumb. It's very, very easy and comfortable to use. It's got little rubber inserts around the shaft of it, so that's nice and grippy. On the back, we can unscrew the cap, and that is where the rechargeable battery goes. So the fact that these use rechargeable batteries is actually a bonus. That means that I'm able to charge this on the way to and from work. If I know that this is running flat, within 3 hours, I can actually have this completely charged, and that'll give me 1 hour runtime consistent use. So it's got an 18650 battery. So when we have a look, the battery can sit nice and easy straight in the back. It's got a rubber seal on the back of this so that we can make sure that no water gets in the back battery section, which is another added bonus. Simply press the button and it's ready to go. You can see there that it's actually fairly quiet. It's got a little notch on the top here that we can adjust to put in the pins. That uses an Allen key wrench, which I'll show you guys in a second. And we've also got an adjustment on the top, which controls the amount of swing that the pick has. This is a charger that it comes with. The battery simply pops out of here, slides into place, and then we can charge that using the USB port. So that's good to know that I can charge this on the road while I'm out on site. It also comes with 2 tensioner wrenches. We've got a double-ended and a single-ended here. This comes also provided with the product. We've got a Allen key, which is used to change over those picks on the top of the tool. And then we've got a range of different picks that come supplied so that we can get straight into picking. So let's get straight into it, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to install one of these picks, and then we'll get straight into picking a lock. So this is the pick that we're going to be installing. All you want to do is simply use your Allen key. We want to loosen off this nut up on top. So just get that nice and loose. Then we can slot our pick into place straight from the top like this. Once that's in, we can then put the tension back on, tighten that up, and we're ready to get started. So like I said before, guys, there's an adjustment that can be used in order to control the amount of swing on the pick itself. So depending on how much space you have in the keyway, you can adjust the amount of swing on there. So you can see there we've got very minimal swing. I can increase that by just simply turning it. You can see there I've increased that swing dramatically. Turn it back over. And that's basically the only adjustment needed on this tool, guys. So for demonstration purposes, guys, we're going to be picking a padlock. We've got here a brand new padlock ready to go. Everything's working order, perfect. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to use the Kronos Multipick to pick this padlock. Let's do this. So what we need to do is get our tensioner wrench. We slot that down the bottom of the keyway like this. Turn that over and then put a little bit of tension just using our finger like this. You don't want to put too much tension, just a little bit. We're going to get our new pick, slot that down the keyway like this. I'll try to keep my fingers out of the way. Put it all the way through, pull it back a little bit, and you can see just how easy that was to open. Turn that all the way over, and we've now opened this lock. So we'll do it again, make sure it wasn't a fluke, show you guys just how easy. Once again, put this down the bottom of the keyway, turn it over, a bit of pressure on your finger, get this down in the bottom underneath the pins, all the way through, pull it back a little bit, and there we have it, guys. So this time around we're using a clear padlock. The reason why we're using padlocks is this video is for demonstration purposes only. So as you can tell, perfect working order. Once again, tensioner tool goes down the bottom of the keyway, bit of tension on, get our pick ready, slot that into position, all the way through, little bit back out, and that has turned it over. So that's just how easy it is to use this Kronos multi-picking tool, guys. As I said, in my opinion, this is the absolute best lockpicking tool available on the market today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you guys would like to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Billshowto.